Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's white. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior. Come around back, spoiler. CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, our media display, power keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This CLA has 62,313 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.